Do you want to comment on that, proposition that, both Atikur Rahman is a scholar who says both Owaisi and Mamta Banerjee appeal to the Muslim voter. And I hate identifying voters by their religion, but since we're talking about this from a political perspective.
First of all, I must say that we should not identify the common voters.
No, only from a political perspective. Otherwise, not for any other reason. My disclaimer is very clear on that sense.
And you see, so far as the Trinamool Congress is concerned, we have made our point very clear. To us, whether he's a Muslim, whether he's a Hindu, whether he or she is a Christian or Jain or Adivasi or any caste.
No.
Everybody is equal for us.
Biswajit, that is rhetoric. That everyone will say. Nobody is going to say they are communal. The question here is, a very simple one. By attacking Owaisi, just this is almost like a devil's advocate question. By attacking Owaisi, in light of what Atikur Rahman has said, has Trinamool in some ways fallen into the BJP's trap? The BJP, if I were in the BJP, I would want you to attack Owaisi. I would want you to attack Owaisi because that's where the vote cutting happens.
Both BJP and this particular party, I don't remember the full name. They are both doing the politics of divisiveness. They are trying to divide people on the basis of religion. That's what I can say. And we are not on it.
No, but answer the specific question, sir.
It is Mamata Banerjee who has mentioned this. She has mentioned Hindu and Muslims.
I'm answering your question.
Priyanka, go ahead.
Politics of divisiveness. We are not on it.
That is what I'm saying. See, now
and they are also doing this.
Accusing BJP with this false allegations.
Just like BJP.
Let Priyanka answer. I'll go back in.
But you and your
chief
minister of West Bengal,
let Priyanka speak. I'll give you
I made my point clear from the very beginning.
Yesterday
I have made my point clear from the very beginning.
Biswajit, let Priyanka speak. I'll come back to you. I'll come back to you.
Based on division.
Tell her.
So she herself has mentioned that.
Okay.
She has mentioned that.
She doesn't
so what is he trying to say?
Let me appeal to Priyanka then. Priyanka, 1 second. Let him just finish his point, then I'll give you the floor.
She will have a turn.
You're saying that you have a specific point to make. Finish your point.
From the very beginning, I said that we are on the politics of development.
Sir, come on.
Development of women's empowerment, development of education, development for the children, development for the traders.
Sir, which party is not going to say they are for all these things, sir?
On politics of development, not this divisive politics.
No, but why is Mamta Banerjee repeatedly attacking Owaisi then? If you are so confident about your achievements in the government, and I am not casting any aspersions on those achievements, they may well be there. I am simply saying, why is Mamta Banerjee being defensive about Owaisi? Aren't you falling into the BJP's trap according to what you accuse the BJP of?
Not at all, because we know what this party is trying to do. What this party is trying to do in Bengal, and by that way, whom they are trying to help, we know very well. We know very well, and that is why Mamata Banerjee has said that it is a B team of BJP.
As a bystander, as a spectator, it seems like the fact that Mamata Banerjee has directly engaged on this Owaisi issue, Priyanka, let us for a moment assume, as political students assume that BJP and Owaisi are in cahoots. Let's just assume for a moment. Mamata Banerjee attacking Owaisi benefits the BJP. I'm just saying, let's assume. I know you're not going to assume that. You're going to deny that, Priyanka. But the BJP is very happy with Mamata Banerjee attacking Owaisi.
See, I'll again tell you, it doesn't work for us, whatever Mamata Banerjee says to MIM, because we have been working for development and the entire India is acknowledging that. That is the reason that BJP is winning in each and every state, in each and every elections, whether it be panchayat elections or the state elections. Now this fear, this is the reason she's so horrified, because she has not worked. She has made false promises. And that too, how? By dividing it. She has always told the Muslims that, I am doing the policy of appeasement. I will give you all jobs. I will give you all government jobs. But if you look at the data, even there has been reduction in the jobs in the Kolkata Municipal Corporation itself in the last 2 years. Leave apart that, in the state government jobs, where there is a quota for Muslims, even that has dropped. So since she has done nothing for the Muslims, now with what face will she go back to the Muslims? And that is the reason, standing on the stage, she's saying, oh, Hindu votes will go to BJP,
Yes.
Muslim votes will go to OWC. What will I do?
We
So
have,
you have already admitted.
Yes, Biswajit
You are
Dev.
exposed
Biswajit Dev, then I'll
today.
get Atikur Rahman in.
we have placed our 10 years report card. I will ask the BJP
The
and the
report
central
card is
government.
made by them.
Please,
They
please,
are the
please
teachers. They are the
let me finish.
headmasters.
Don't
making
shout.
all,
Don't shout. Please
listen,
let me finish.
sir, please listen. Please listen.
Please have the
The
minimum
truth
ethics.
is always
Yeah,
stronger
Priyanka, let
than
him
the
speak.
lie.
You can answer
You
it.
Don't
keep your
shout.
report card with
Please
you.
let-
I will
please-
show you the
please
report
let
of
me
this
talk.
survey.
When-
And who has
when
done
you
that
spoke-
survey?
Yes, yes,
I did not
Biswajit Dev.
invite you.
Biswajit Dev, make your point. Make your point.
You place your 6 years report card. You place your 6 years report card.
Sir,
if you
I
have the
am
guts,
speaking about Bengal.
tell your
If you
government,
have done something
tell
for
government
Bengal,
of
then
India
speak.
to place the 6 years report card on the basis of development. We have placed our 10 years report card on the basis of
Whatever
our
I have
development.
spoken is
Just try to
whatever I have
challenge that.
spoken today is
Just try
there
to
on the
show.
national
Okay,
sample
we've gone.
survey.
No.
We-
This
we
has
are
become
wrong.
once
It is
again.
founded
Try to
by
show.
Amartya Sen.
Prove that we are wrong.
I want to say once again that the core of today's discussion is about the Owaisi versus Mamta Banerjee. But
Yes.
as expected, it's become about the BJP versus Mamta, which is to be expected because ultimately this fight in Bengal upcoming is very much seen to be a BJP versus a Trinamool Congress political war. Atik